In this video, I'll show you how to share your profile link on Discord. I'll show you how you can be able to copy your Discord profile link. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open your Discord. Make sure your Discord is updated to the most current version. So open your Discord. Click on this U. Click on this gear icon. Scroll down. Look for the advanced under the app settings. Click on it. You're going to be able to see developer mode. That is the first option. So click on it, turn it on, go back, go to your server you're currently in, like any server you're currently. So I have a test server. So I'm going to just click on the general. So I'm going to send a message. I can just type in hi. So once I've typed this in, click on your profile. You're going to be able to see this three dotted icon at the top. Click on it. You're going to be able to see copy user ID. So copy your user ID. So what you need to do, I think I have something that's going to help out. So it's currently my notes. So I'm going to type in this. So this is it. So what you need to do, replace this user ID with that ID. So I'm going to just paste it. So I'm going to click on done. So this is it. This is basically how you can be able to share your profile link on Discord. So if I click on this now, you can see it just took me to my profile here on Discord. So I'm going to go back so I can be able to see this. So this is it. discordapp.com users. Then you're going to be able to replace the user ID with your own ID. So I'm going to just click on it again. So you can see it's currently taking me to my Discord profile. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you all in the very next video.